Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel, and today's topic is really interesting. We are going to talk about pronouns, but not just the pronouns, but about cases of pronouns. We have got acquainted with all the types of pronouns in Ukrainian language so far, so right now we are going to talk about cases, and the first one will be about locative case. So let's start. Займенник – місцевий відмінок. Pronoun – locative case. That's pretty easy. Let's look through it. So, місцевий відмінок – locative case. We are going to start with personal pronouns. So, nominative case. This column – я, I, ти, you, він, he, вона, she, воно, it, ми, we, ви, you, вони, they. В мене є відео про різницю між ви і ти. Поцікавтеся, якщо досі ще не знаєте. І місцевий відмінок, locative case. So, nominative is who or what. And locative is on what, on whom. Yes? So, на мені, on me, на тобі, on you, на ньому, on him, на ній, on her, на ньому, on it, на нас, on us, на вас, on you, на них, on them. Бачите, що тут у нас співпадають форми він і воно. So we have a coincidence when він it's masculine, воно it's neuter, and the forms are the same. So, okay. And now possessive pronouns. So, the nominative whose, which one, yes. Чий masculine, чия feminine, чиї. That's plural, чиє neuter. So, look here. Nominative мій, my, it's masculine, моє, it's neuter, моя, it's feminine, мої, it's plural. Твій, your, твоє, it's the same but neuter, твоя, it's the same but feminine, твої is the same but plural. And locative case of this possessive pronouns, in whose or in which ones, or on whose, on whom. Okay, let's find out the forms. У, на моєму, in, on my, у, на твоєму, in, on your, masculine. And the same form is neuter. У на моєму, у на твоєму. Feminine. У на моїй, у на твоїй. And plural. У на моїх, у на твоїх. So, here we have a nominative case. Його, his, її, her. The same forms, but with prepositions. In, on, his, in, on, her. У на його, у на її. And here. Наш, our. Наше, our, but neuter. Наша, our, but feminine. Наші, plural. Again, your, ваш, ваше, ваша, ваші. Ваш, masculine, ваше, neuter, ваше, feminine, ваші, plural. And the forms. У на нашому, у на вашому. So, in, on, our, in, on yours. У на нашому, у на вашому. The same form in neuter as in masculine. У на нашій, у на ваші, feminine. У на наших, у на ваших, plural. And the last one. Їхній, their. Їхнє, їхнє, їхній. Їхній masculine, їхнє neuter, їхнє feminine, їхнє plural. У на їхньому. In, on, their. It's masculine, the same form neuter, у на їхньому, but feminine, у на їхній, and plural у на їхніх. Now look at interrogative pronouns. So, nominative case. Хто, що, who, what, який, which one, what kind, and the forms. Який masculine, яке neuter, яка feminine, які plural. And the forms. У на кому, on whom, у на чому, on what, or in, whom, in what. У на якому, on which kind, in which kind, the same form, masculine and neuter. У на якій, feminine, у на яких, plural. So, it can be the preposition у inside something or on something. Okay. Then, next, whose. So, again, we are talking that we have form чий, whose, masculine, чиє, neuter, чия, feminine, чиї, plural. And locative case, у на чиєму, on whose, the same form is neuter, у на чиї, feminine, у на чиїх, it's plural. Котрий, which one, which order. Yes. So, 4 forms. Again, nominative case, котрий, it's masculine, котре, neuter, котра, feminine, котрі, plural. And the forms. У на котрому, masculine and plural are the same. У на котрій, feminine, у на котрих, plural. And вказівні. It's our analog of this, those, that, these. So the part of that. Той, that it's masculine, те, that it's neuter, та, it's feminine, ті, it's plural. So it's той, та, те, we translate as that, ті as those. У на тому, the same forms, masculine and neuter, but feminine у на ті, and plural у на тих. Say, this, це, this, but say it's masculine, це it's neuter. Ця, feminine, ці, it's plural, these. So, у на цьому, in, on, this, the forms are the same in masculine and neuter, but feminine у на ці, and plural у на цих. So, make a screenshot, and we will go to practice.
моєму серці ти.
Here we have practice. This is the short exercise. We just need to put the pronouns in nominative case to the pronouns in locative case. So, я гарне плаття, на мені гарне плаття. So, the nice dress is on me. Or we can change in locative case this part, гарне плаття. Я у гарному платі. I'm in a nice dress. Both variants have the same meaning, but here we change pronoun on locative, and here we change adjective and noun on locative. So, but the meaning is the same. Stop this video, even rewatch the cases of adjectives and cases of nouns, locative case in particular, and try to do this exercise. Відповіді. So, I have done this exercise for you. So, let's check. На тобі нові черевики. New shoes are on you. So, we have changed ти on locative. Ти у нових черевиках. You are in a new shoes. So, we have changed adjective and noun here on locative. So, two variants. Number 2. На ньому капелюх. The hat is on him. Він у новому капелюсі. He is in a new hat. Де мої окуляри? Where are my glasses? Вони на мені. They are on me. Again, we change я. Я у них. I'm in them. We change вони. На ній було чорне плаття. The black dress was on her. Вона була у чорному платті. She was in a black dress. Ось моя книжка. Here is my book. На ній лежить ручка. On it the pen is. У книжці лежить ручка. Or we can say in a book there is a pen. На ній завжди золоті сережки. Golden earrings are always on her. Вона завжди у золотих сережках. She is always in golden earrings. На них були українські вишиванки. Ukrainian embroidered shirts were on them. Вони були в українських вишиванках. They were in Ukrainian embroidered shirts. Like this one, as you see. Like mine, maybe. Учора на них був офіційний одяг. Yesterday was the official clothes on them. Учора вони були у офіційному одязі. Yesterday were they in official clothes. So, here is it, two variants. So you can try both. What is easier for you, but both variants mean the same. Let's continue our practice. Next exercise. So, just try to answer the questions using the locative case of pronouns, adjectives, and nouns. Again, I advise you to watch my previous videos about locative cases of adjectives, locative cases of nouns, and this exercise will be pretty easy for you. So you can stop, watch, and come back to do this exercise. Answers. So, де можна купити овочі? Where can I buy vegetables? Можна купити овочі на нашому великому базарі. You can buy vegetables on our big market. So, all are changed in locative case. Pronoun, adjective, noun. Де студенти купують книги? Where do students buy books? Студенти купують книги у вашій новій книгарні. Students buy books in your new bookstore. Number 3. Де він дивиться цікаві фільми? Where does he watch interesting films? Він дивиться цікаві фільми у їхньому просторому кінотеатрі. He watches interesting films in their spacious cinema. Next. Де навчаються іноземні студенти? Where do foreign students study? Іноземні студенти навчаються у нашому технічному університеті. Foreign students study at our technical university. Номер 5. Де вони грають у футбол? Where do they play football? Вони грають у футбол у нашому новому стадіоні. They play football in our new stadium. Okay. Number 6. Де відпочиває його сім'я? Where does his family rest? Його сім'я відпочиває у наших українських горах. His family rests in our Ukrainian mountains. Number 7. Де він завжди вечеряє? Where does he usually have dinner? Він завжди вечеряє у моєму гарному ресторані. He always has dinner in my nice restaurant. And the last one. Де студенти слухають лекції? Where do students hear the lectures? Студенти слухають лекції у наших просторих аудиторіях. the students listen to the lectures in our spacious auditoriums. I hope it was pretty easy for you, nothing difficult at all, if you watched my previous videos. So check them, please.
Та серце в твоїх руках.
So, this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely like me have enjoyed doing it. Please put this video a huge thumb up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you don't understand anything. I'll try to explain once more. And we'll see each other next Friday. Bye bye!